All right. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another big stream. Today, I'm joined by Mr. Hayes. Hold up, can still barely hear you again.
Didn't touch anything.
Let's doing that whack shit again. I don't know why he keeps on doing it. Here, let's see.
I didn't touch anything.
Okay, I just turned up my shit. Huh. That's way better. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, if you are new to these streams, what we do here, we do a little review, especially on Sundays. We go over NQ trades that we took throughout the week, just cover those and see how the price action played out, outline important levels, see what we can do going into this next week, and then we take a look at some crypto. So without further ado, let's first go over our setups, then we're going to outline our important levels, and then we're going to dive into some crypto. So, to begin, if you remember our stream from last Sunday, we were talking about, at the beginning of this little pump, we said, okay, well, so far we have an open high, so then we need to either do a low close or open low, high close. So you can see we opened up, displaced below this Sunday level. This is just a higher time frame review, so we'll go over that lower time frame in a second. Higher time frame, you can see over here, we displaced that Sunday open level. This is why it's important for us to have those levels marked. Displaced below it, we took out that previous weekly low. Displaced below the previous weekly low, came down, took this liquidity, right? We were talking about this, I believe, on Monday before we rushed through this level. We said, okay, if we displace this level, the next likely liquidity is going to be down here if we're going to see a big flush through, which we did right there on the hourly time frame. You can see that. Flush through that level, took that out, and immediately saw a nice little reversal right here. Came back, retested that previous weekly low, got through the previous weekly low. Now this previous level of resistance, or this previous level of support, broke through, was resistance for a little bit. Then we broke through it again, became our support again. So then we said, okay, we need to buff this Sunday open, and then we can see an outside week. Got exactly that. Got above that 1550 liquidity right there. And a nice continuation to the upside. So that's the higher time frame. So on here we can outline our levels. So this is our previous weekly high right there. So the range on this weekly is much better, but does not mean that we still cannot come down over here. You know, even if we take that previous weekly high and don't see displacement, we could still possibly see a nice little flush to the downside, as we are just in this low range right now. So just stay vigilant with that. Where do we open up today? The Sunday 1800. There's our open. There's our Sunday open level right there. So let's dive into this 5-minute time frame and take a look at the trades that we had. Monday is right here. Monday was half day, so there really wasn't much on Monday. There was just that sweep of the liquidity and nice little continuation right out of it. Right, immediate reaction. If you see an immediate reaction, that's likely guarantees you a solid reversal. Let's get into Tuesday. Tuesday over here, obviously we were playing off of that Sunday opening level. You can see we retested it during the Asian session, could not displace above it, so saw a nice little continuation to the downside. Over here during London, obviously this midnight session, you can see just the continuation and respect of those bearish PD arrays. Continue to flush down, continue. Then right there, we wait for price to open up. 8:30, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock sweeps that previous hourly low right at the open. So that 5-minute, no displacement sweep of the liquidity. Our VIX fix indicators going off. So then we get a nice reversal to the upside. And I believe we do sweep that previous hourly high at 8. Yeah, so we got a nice little outside hour on the 15-minute. We got left a nice open low high close. Something that we've covered in the past. And then back over here, right, could not displace above these liquidities, swept those. You can see sent a wick, immediate reaction to the downside. I'm sure on the 1 minute there was a fair value gap that we retraced into, and then kind of continued to the downside with that sweep, and then a reversal back up. It's been quite the price action lately, honestly. Wednesday, let me get a sip of some tea. Wednesday over here. Oh, that's a good one. London session. We outline our OTE. So we go from the most recent low to the most recent high. We get our OTE right there. We retest that previous weekly low breakout point right there. That's right with the OTE of the London session at 618. We hold that OTE right at 945, and we get some longs to the upside from there. Over here, you could have played that Sunday opening level or any of these liquidities, right? A sweep of this liquidity and no displacement above it. You can see how price kept on just like trying to get through. It kept on wicking. So we saw a nice little displacement to the downside, taking out this liquidity as well. Move into Thursday. Thursday, similar thing. Sweep of the London Asian highs with no displacement above the high, being a solid short, right? You can see this Asian consolidation, London a little bit of a consolidation. So then we get a nice S&D day almost right there. Sweep of the top, displaced to the downside, sweep of this downside, and then continuation to the upside. You can see this VIX indicator playing in quite a bit. And then on the higher time frame, I believe we also came into the hourly fair value gap somewhere over here as well. A nice little grind to the top. Then we go into Friday. Friday, if you guys remember, I believe we posted this outline, at least in our Discord. The daily plan that we always play. Let me bring that over here. Obviously, Dang Strat. This is not something that we came out with, but he had a nice little chart. So go check him out. Well, you can see what does this chart look like? Most likely represents this Asian range, right? Which we had an Asian range. London had a nice manipulation, which this is still part of London. So the New York session is more than likely to go to the downside, which is exactly how that Friday played out. You can see we came in, swept this liquidity right there at 9:30 after a little consolidation, sweep of the liquidity, immediate reaction to the downside. We have a displacement candle right there. This comes up. I believe there's a 1 minute fair value gap right here that you could have played off of, and a nice continuation to the downside. So that was what I had for this past week. Let's outline those important levels that we have. So previous week high, this indicator previous week high, previous day high. You can check it out from Mr. Hayes. Check out his Twitter at Hayes Beats. He's posting some nice indicators, and there's also a lot of indicators that are for members only. So this just helps you keep track of your numbers, helps you to keep track of what liquidities you got and where they are. All right, there's a previous weekly low. I do not want to move the whole
thing. Read for me really quick.
Oh yeah, about that. Whoopsies.
No, you're good.
I guess it doesn't matter too much for the review.
Yeah, that's why I waited. But
yeah. And then
on the topic of indicators and key levels, really quick, I had that 845 level I posted in Discord last week, and that's exactly where we rejected from.
845, yeah.
845, yeah.
23.
Clean.
Yep.
But yeah, I still haven't taken many futures.
So I guess, yeah, going into this week, we can see obviously Sunday opening, right? Since we don't have any real wick to the downside, we can see this is still an open high so far. So we need a low close, or we still need to manipulate to the downside, possibly previous day low. Some of these liquidities do look a little sus to the downside. So there's a possibility still for us to go to the downside a little bit before we continue to the upside. For news this week, we don't have anything Monday, Tuesday. Going into Wednesday, we have core PPI at 6:30 a.m. That's 8:30 Eastern. Then core CPI 8:30 Eastern on Thursday, and then Friday 10 a.m. University of Michigan numbers. Those are always nice to play off of. This provide a solid setup.
If you draw OTE, that bear OTE of this down leg
of this one.
Yep.
Yeah, I was gonna say this looks like it's like in
705 perfectly.
Yep, right there.
So yeah, we could definitely
inside the fair value gap too.
Yeah, I would like that. The recorder squeal.
Yeah, 4 hour. I mean, we're not too far off from all-time highs, but we're still pretty much range bound above the 1550. But I'd love to see at least some sweep. Maybe a retest of this inverse on the 4 hour, because we are technically holding everything. But we'll just have to see how it plays out. Daily wick. Ooh. Up till we hit the 50% of the daily wick.
Yeah, they could sweep all this shit to
Yeah.
the downside.
I would not mind that.
I updated cracks indicator. The sweep one to the CISD version. It's so clean.
The CISD sweep.
Yeah.
The 2.2.
No, it's a whole new one. You have to edit from WAP.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, it's sick. It shows the CISD and then like this, or the sweep and then the CISD confirmation, however you want it set.
I like that.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Let's take again at some of these crypto riptos. Vanna is one of those that Mr. Hayes was mentioning off stream. This one looks pretty fucking good on the daily with that breakout that you posted, dude.
Yep.
That looks good.
It looks really good.
One of.
And then,
Go ahead. No, you go.
oh, it's just the charts I posted last night in the crypto channel were some of my faves.
Yeah, we had a really solid fucking catch on GPS. If you guys remember from a while back, we were just trying to catch a bottom on this thing. Finally, on Thursday, we got a solid fucking candle that looked like it was ready to send us to the upside. And look at all this LRLR that we just cleared out. So I'm liking this one a lot. We are above the 200. Obviously, they can retrace it back down however much they want to because our entry is right there. But let's take a gander at what we have, maybe sort them by change. Wild, that one also, dude. Can't believe we didn't fucking take that one.
Your world is the only one out of like the 20 I took last night that I didn't.
We were looking at this bitch, dude.
That's how she goes.
Yep.
It's okay.
Every time.
He's okay.
Every fucking time. No, I'm kidding. I'm not getting mad because I know that
a little bleach.
Yeah. With how many times we fucking had that happen, I'm just like, okay, whatever. There's like fucking 40 tickers out here.
And that one, it hasn't been the best to trade that one lately, so I just was like, fuck it.
Solve is okay, Cyber. I kind of like Bio for a Rising 3 setup here. So they can do one more leg down, but I like this huge displacement candle with this fair value gap. So I'm liking that one a lot, especially on that weekly. Considering this was an inside week. We swept the bottom of this week, but haven't retested the tops of that. And that monthly looks good. Oh, Bio could be her. Bio. Oop.
Some big boy yawn.
Yeah, dude. Fucking mentally
like
exhausted, brother.
Yeah, dude. Me too.
Gearing up for another 7-day work week. Fucking 3,000 followers, guys. I'll quit my fucking job, and I'll be ripping. I'll rip in these streams full time.
On live, he quit.
On live, I will call. I'll be like, hey, this is my 2 weeks. I'll have ChatGPT write me a letter of resignation as well. So
Fuck, what did I say for 4,000 for you the other day?
4,000.
I said something funny. I forgot what it was.
Fuck, I don't.
Oh, you stopped talking about your moms.
Oh yeah. 4,000 followers, and we're gonna stop talking about your moms. That's the minimum.
Flowers on last time, and that's it.
That's the minimum fucking requirement right there. So if you guys are watching, make sure you give it a like, give it a share. We're not asking to like subscribe or anything like that. Just give us a like, share the stream. Let's get some peeps in this house. Said 500 people by the end of September. That would be phenomenal. And do a nice big giveaway. Nice big giveaway for everybody that participates.
1,111 followers. He does the whole stream in the Trump voice.
Yes. I will make a post. When I hit 100, a full stream in the Trump voice. And we're also gonna full port the Trump coin.
Okay, that didn't go good last time.
Yeah. All right, let's move on to the next one.
My
Dude,
God.
form looks good. Tut. Cookie kind of looks decent. Enough over here into this daily Fair Valley gap right there. That's macaroni right there. Oh my goodness. God, I'm so full from that fucking Mexican food.
I know. Me
I'm over
too.
here like, yo, guys, what you doing? Still gotta do a fucking workout, man. Yeah, I like Cookie on that daily. Weekly looks pretty decent, but it's kind of a wick, so we know how that fucking goes. Buy the wick, you get the dick.
Oh, fuck. Did you see ZEC? It should be
ZC.
on the top
Yes,
of
yes,
like
I
what the
fucking
it's
saw that one, dude.
look at the daily.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I fucking posted it somewhere, but never fucking took this bitch.
I was in it. I closed for some reason. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, bio looks really good. I like that one. That looks okay too. Fuck Zcash. I
Zcash.
told those hated rallies. You can hate it as
Yeah,
much as you want,
dude.
but they rip the hardest.
Mm-hmm.
BCH. I think World mentioned that one a couple streams ago. That
Yeah.
one had a huge fucking run.
Yeah. Yeah, bio looks pretty fucking good.
Yeah, ARU looks good too. I'm sorted by
Top.
percent change. Yeah.
I think, yeah, I am too. ZEC, BMT, Cyber, Bio, Turbo, TRB. No, that's TRB. FET is okay. FET did do that fake breakdown and retested this high again. You can see this area where it came down, retested and kept on going from it. So I wonder if they want to continue from here, considering that we did get that daily CISD. That is something that we can watch for, and that weekly is also a nice little wick to the downside. So maybe once we get above that 200, we can see a good continuation out of it. That is on Fetteruni. It's one of my used to be one of my favorites, but grown apart.
Yeah, this AR one looks great.
Yeah,
on the weekly.
AR. Yep. Yeah, but same, like, actually, no, we got that OB.
Yeah, peep the weekly.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, right into this fucking
Yep.
Fair Valley gap.
FEG, all bodies held above the 618.
Mm-hmm.
This could definitely do a nice little run.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I like that. Weekly, monthly. Monthly also swept that previous monthly low.
Yep. Even back to those equal highs around 894 would be good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep, I like that.
I love
it. I
Dude.
love it so much. Tao looks good. The sweep of all of these. Weekly also looks decent. Looks decent. Tau. Ball. Hype. Hype was okay. Acer. Fun. I keep looking at fun and it just like, it looks like it wants to do something fucking disgusting.
To do something fun.
Yeah. It looks like it wants to fun around and find out.
Fucking hype too, dude.
Yeah, I was just looking at
Hype
this
daily looks fucking nuts. Like
Mhm.
this massive ascending wedge shit that probably just puts in a god stick.
Yep. Yeah, hype looks fucking good.
Yeah, that Tau one doesn't look bad at all. Not the cleanest like structure, but it's got that curve building out that I kind of like. Yeah, I really like that AR if it can flip the 200 on this one of these next 4-hour candles.
Uh-huh.
At least there's like a clear spot on a lot of these for stops. Like to put your stop loss below that previous weekly.
Oh, yeah.
I took Doge last night. I don't know. I was really tired, but I got 220% on it.
Yeah.
I didn't post
That's
it
a
anyway.
nice
I must have
one.
just been fucking
Yeah.
holding out.
I did post Party. Party doesn't look
Yeah,
terrible.
like John.
John Party. Like this one looks good above the 200. We swept this long time liquidity right there. Weekly looks good. Monthly looks good for a continuation. I don't like the fact that we swept the previous monthly high, but the way that we held that previous monthly equal is kind of telling me maybe we want these monthly highs at 267 somewhere over here. It's Eugene, Eugene above the 200. It's got some nice equal highs and that daily order block. I like Eugene. Eugene.
Yep, I like that. God, AR on the 4 hour looks really fucking good too. I really like that one.
Yeah, that double top looks fucking good. Daily 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour CISD.
Online break. If you zoom out a little bit.
Of this trend line.
More. Yeah. I just went from like that top one to the second one.
Look at this. Like that. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, this can have a nice little run.
And with this environment, guys, you can take your just whenever you see your trade go up to the point and sweep a solid liquidity level, just take it there. Honestly, that's the best way. This is the type of environment that we were in right now.
You can leave a runner, but close out like 70% of it at least.
Yeah. That's like the GPS trade. Like it got 2,000%. I closed majority of my trade there, but I left the smallest little portion. If it comes back to stop me out, then I'm still, I still making out. But if you're just leaving your profits up there, then
what are you doing it for?
Yeah,
what's
exactly.
the point of trading?
Exactly. If you're just hoping to hit those 100%ers, which is like, yeah, you can get them so easily, but it's like, at least for me, my general rule is 200%. I'll trim half probably, but if it ends up going where I'm just like not looking at my phone and then it's at 2,000% all of a sudden, then yeah, I'm gonna take majority of the position off.
You can hope all you want, or you can make money.
Yep. Nice big yawn.
Yeah. You can hope to get a big one, or you could just consistently make money, and it all adds up to a big one.
Yep. 20% a day on whatever you do is still outperforming the fucking S&P 500, which gives you 8% annual return.
Outperforming Bitcoin at this point, too.
Yeah.
Griffin looks really good. Griffin.
Tut cookie dumb. ZRO doesn't look bad.
Proper Udin coin.
Zero.
Oh, I thought you said CRO.
No, ZRO, not Crow. Zero, but it almost looks like this shit, like right here.
Yep.
So I'm like, probably not gonna risk a wick on this one.
God, remember I said Mav?
Mm-hmm.
Hold the head up. It's on the. It shouldn't be far from.
From Kaido.
I don't know. Maybe it is. Like we have different
oh,
lists.
Dot looks good.
Yep, it does.
Look at Dot. Broke that bottom. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Is this one pretty hated too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I like Dot. Daily the break.
Ooh, but I've got the weekly CRSD.
Shit. USD Maverick.
Keep the week.
Am I on the right one?
Yeah. Yeah.
I know CCID. But I do like the structure. I like that we were above the 200. Dot back inside the Triangle. What the fuck? Why does it do that? Hey, when it drops me down to like the top chart, I'm like, no. Just continue where we left off. Grass. What else? Ordy. House. I think we posted. I held this range nicely. Held this OTE of that range where we came back down, retest that. What's that? 7 or 618. Retested it. Now we're holding above it, so now just kind of consolidating. But the weekly looks good on it. Just need above this little CISD level, and then we can see a solid continuation to the upside on the house.
Oh, AIXVT that I posted last night's still probably one of my absolute favorites, and the 4-hour looks so good.
Yeah, I like this one. The daily CISD looks good.
The 4-hour right now looks ready. Like the structure is really clean.
Yep. Oh yeah, I'm in it. In it. AXBT cookie. Yeah, that was just right there. ZRO. Yeah, ZRO also doesn't look bad. Above that quarterly will be nice. And the weekly looks good. But, oh yeah, we just covered this one. But that whole thing.
Yeah. Ooh, comp looks good.
Kaido, KDA, Pendle, Dot. MNC, Cheems is okay. ACT. STX.
Yep, there's a lot of good ones. As always, find the cleanest structure because those ones usually move the best.
Yep.
Ooh, SSV. The 4-hour looks pretty crazy.
SSV, yeah. It's building out this triangle too. Not a wedge. Or no, it is building out a wedge. Like
flipping the 200 to peep the 4.
Yeah. Oh yeah. If it breaks this 922, that's gonna be the fucking banger. Cause like, look at this, right? And then you got that stop right here.
Yeah, it should go like now.
I like that. They have some nice tops too.
Yeah, this one looks good. Just a massive triangle on the daily.
Building her out.
Not like a bear flag either, like one of the good triangles.
Yeah, exactly. One of those ones that looks like it might want to send her to the upside, especially if we break that 200. Oh no, we are already above the 200. Yeah. 4-hour looks good. Around yeah. Daily looks good. Weekly looks good too. Monthly retested this order block. And look at everything that they left up top over here without retesting this fair value gap up above. So this could be a nasty like come up over here and then next month just fucking dip her down. I'd love to see that.
Yep.
Monta. Ooh, Monta doesn't look bad. Similar thing, but still no CISD. So basically what we were looking for right now is these daily CISDs and being very close to the 200 because if we got that CISD, there's a much higher chance that we can break to the upside.
Yep.
So like virtual looks pretty decent for a breakout to the upside. We just need to see that clean CISD shift and then continuation. So it's like we're okay with waiting on some of these names to do their thing. We just want to see when they will do it. Python, Pith, PYTH, Pith looks good. Inside day yesterday. It's a possibility of retracing into this fair value gap and then going from there on Pith. Let me whip out the magic Shane tool.
I'm just going to say it. Based off on a lot of these charts, I think that little shitty price action streak might come to an end here soon.
I really fucking hope so.
Be back on.
I really fucking hope so.
Like Doge, XLM, all these big
Ooh.
names looking fucking.
Soul too.
Yeah,
Soul
no,
looks good too.
we might be good to go from here.
Because we never invalidated this animal.
No.
Neither did we on pump. Like our pump animal. Look at this shit.
Yeah, and Bitcoin inverted that daily FEG, and we're holding it really well. Like this, we can.
Yep.
They can save this from here.
Inverted the FAG and held this one too with an
Yeah.
immediate reaction out of it.
And we swept that. Like,
Mm-hmm.
wait, no, we didn't. Did
we
we?
swept the previous low, but we didn't quite get below that. Like
Yeah, I'm looking at the daily. Look at those highs.
7. Yeah.
Those
Yeah.
are too equal. They at least push into there again.
Yeah. Yeah. Like CISD and 200, that might give us a little pushback, but a continuation above that is going to be fucking solids. Like Ethereum. What's Ethereum? Ethereum looking fucking consolidated. What the fuck? Like, what is this price action on Ethereum compared to what we had before?
Ave daily.
Aave, I love Aave. Oh, yeah.
The 4 hours like a really tight inverse head and shoulder.
Fuck, that weekly, man. That weekly, I'd love a sweep of the... actually, this almost looks like a rising 3.
Yeah, look at the 4 hour. They might just go from here.
Mm-hmm. They held that fair value up well. That body respect is nice. I like that.
A lot of these look really, really good.
Yeah. Like, let me not get into too many fucking names again. I'll keep what I got right now because I'm pretty satisfied with the collection that we have going right now.
Might be time though.
Arc is another one of those. That's a good one. Like, look at Arc. I got into it probably around here, but the retest of this this order block, right? We have this bottom that swept all of these lows. We have this bullshit right here, and possibly a breakout soon. So above the 200, we already got the daily CISD. This one can really fucking go, I think. Arc. Once we get booting and scooting. Banana is another one of those that I was looking at as well. Banana above that daily CISD. We rejected it, but I like the way that this daily right now has held some of these areas, like this 4 hour, right? I believe you can smack an OTE on that. And we tapped that 618 right there, tapped into the CISD on the 4 hour, tapped into this fair value gap. So this one's looking pretty decent as well. This is ARC. Right. CISD.
Yeah, there's some lookers, that's for sure.
OG. Yeah, there's quite a few lookers. I see that banana. What other one was I looking at? Dot or in that one. Banana, hippo, shippo. That one looks good too. That one is about to break out actually on the daily. Hippo like 4 hours clean as fuck.
Yep, it is.
Daily, if we can get above this trend line right there, I believe they've kept it going for a while. I'm sure we can even smack one right there. Almost. If we get above this trend line on Shippo, we can see a solid continuation to the upside. So I'm like making a little post outline.
Doge looks so ready to rip.
Doge.
Yeah.
I want Sheep to fucking rip face.
Look at, Sheep will, but Doge is leading this time.
Let's take a look at Doge.
XLM2, just the way like they're holding these lows, like so many days of like.
Oh yeah, Doge looks fucking good above the 200. Golly. Sheeby, come on, above the 200.
XLM2, XLM looks. I think XLM is so good. All the memes.
Yep.
AVAX 2 looks super good. Just for some bigger names. Yeah, that Ave. I love it off that low.
Latest.
Bonk can definitely go. Speaking of Doge coins.
Dot coins.
Yeah, this could be a really good week for crypto.
Yeah.
I know it's early, but
But it's also we're like coming into the second week of this month, or
Yep.
the last quarter too, or the last month of the quarter. So it'd be really cool to see if they do finish out this quarter with a nice,
like a strong close. That'd
yeah,
be
dude,
insane.
like get everybody fucking bared up and then just rip the fuck out of face.
Strong ass quarter
Yeah.
close.
Ooh, in it looks good too.
Like erase all these wicks.
Yeah, yeah, just completely come up to the upside.
Because a lot of these quarters are back bullish.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying. That's what I would love to see. That would be the nastiest play for them to do. And then that's like going into the new year, basically, too. Ending out the year strong would be solid for them as well. Give a lot of backing to the Trump Foundation.
I mean, yeah, it'd look good for him.
Uh-huh. We brought back crypto.
They told you when to buy again.
Crypto's back.
TradingView told you when to buy.
TradingView, we
They tell
actually
you every time you open the app.
we actually acquired TradingView. We said big boom is coming, big boom on all
We
crypto
put
names.
it right in front of your face.
We said this deal expires in 3 days. You have 3 days to buy. If you didn't buy during that time, you're out for the big boom.
God, Tao is going.
I was just talking about that one, weren't we?
Yeah, I know. That's why
Yeah.
I said it. Did you look at Griffane too?
Yeah, let me take a gander. Griff.
This one looks pretty good.
Oh, you can fucking 75x on on Tao. Boom. Big boom. Big boom.
I was gonna say that TradingView shit's annoying as fuck.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Griffin. Yeah, that does look good. With all these equal highs up top that have been built out.
Yep.
For fucking weeks on end. TradingView. Hey, they said there will be signs. I've actually just bought a big green plane. I play on a big green, beautiful golf course. I think the stock market's gonna be as green as this grass. Greens are fast. Buy fast. Buy the dip. You won't regret it. Ooh, XRP's going too. Dude, my XRP fucking entry is
Insanity. That virtual one we took last night looks really good.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, this one looks good with all this LRLR to the upside. I like that one.
I think AIXVT is probably my favorite though.
This got a feel. I like it. So gee, that one has a clean bottom too.
It's just like a really clean structure on the 4 hour.
Mhm.
Super clean. And you
Yeah.
can 75x it.
BMT doesn't look terrible either. I mean, I don't like this huge wick, but the CISD, that looks pretty decent. FET is cranking her. Let's see if we get, yeah, comp looks good. Just this consolidation shit.
And the clean structure. Stop below previous week low and pray to whatever God you believe in at this
Yep.
point.
If you what is it? If you're fucking Buddhist, you got 7. So
7 times is like much luck.
yeah, exactly. So Hippo looks fucking good. Honestly, I like Hippo a lot. APT doesn't look bad. Bonk is kind of gripping it, dude.
I know I'm in uncomfortable amount of spot bunk.
That weekly still looks fucking gay though.
Yeah.
My only beef with it. Like that monthly, I like the tap and the sweep of that previous monthly low, but God, that weekly, that previous wick where they left and just fucking dicked everyone.
Yep.
That is
It might just be the dickening wick.
foul. Foul.
Yep. I wasn't happy about it.
Not one fucking bit.
That could have just been the last, like, fuck you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, really fuck you.
Yeah, just like, here's a wick. Get fucked.
The monthly does not look bad.
Yeah, monthly looks good.
Monthly tapped into FVG.
There's XRP looks good too. I like that we did break out below that wedge a little bit too. Now if we get the CISD or get above that CSD, get above the 200, I think this will see a solid continuation. And that weekly looks good too.
Magic looks good.
Magic.
What's
our girl HFT doing? Hash flow. Being a fucking bitch.
Yeah. Keep magic. This one's had some really good runs out of OTE, and it's starting to turn here.
Oh yeah, like it looks a lot like this over here.
Yep.
I like that one. Yeah, stop below that previous weekly low and fucking start praying. Start doing sacrifices. Whatever you gotta do, start doing it.
XLM. What do you think on that?
XLM. I would want it at least a little bit like above this fair value gap, and then maybe I would consider it. But I do like the way that we're holding this right now. Still building out that wedge on the fucking 4 hour too. That right there. This to this. That's like let's see if we get a continuation. LPT has been nice too in the past. It's like this one, the way that they held this fair value gap, kind of liking it. LPT weekly. It is kind of a fucking gross chart though. PT AVI. That's a
Loki.
Oh, AVAI. Floki, yeah.
Loki looks fucking good on the weekly. Loki looks a little too good. FLO. Okay.
A float.
No C.
Yeah, all of this LRLR just on a lot of those fucking
Look at the week.
Same with this 4 hour wedge too. Like same setups on those. Retest of this OB too. Oh my god. That weekly.
That's what I wanted Bonk to like look like.
Yeah. Except we bought that wick and got the fucking dick.
Yeah.
They have 1,000 flocky on Blowfin.
100% on virtual that we posted in Discord last night.
Let's fucking go. Dude, that GPS one still can't get over it. I'm like, that's fucking disgusting.
Drinking water at a bar, being sober. supplying 100%ers.
Fucking 2 a.m. in the morning.
Chilling.
Yep. Oh, it's insanity. That's how it's done.
That's how it's done.
So it's done. Well, everybody's
being productive.
Watching. Yeah. And that's maybe this might be the closing note.
Render.
If we are, let's take a look at render, and then we're done. I'll do a little closing note. I got some shit to say about this. We're back in the season.
Yep. Oh god, he's gonna go off.
Yeah, render still holding this fucking OTE right here.
Yep. Keep the daily and 4 hour. The 4
yeah,
hour.
that weekly looks fucking beautiful.
The 4 hour looks crazy.
Yep. Yeah, I like that. Stop below that 4 hour low. Could even just
go.
fucking try.
Before Eddie pops off again, just we're in the same place on a lot of these. Some are cleaner than others. Find the ones that you resonate or whatever with,
Yeah.
whatever has your system presenting itself. Because, like I said, mine wasn't for a long time, but it is now. So,
Yep.
gotta shoot the shot. Just make sure your risk is managed and, yeah, pray. Lots of
Yeah.
praying.
It's the biggest thing. Make sure you size appropriately, risk appropriately. Obviously, we do post our plays, but we never tell anybody what size of position they should take or where to buy. Wait for your system. We're just simply giving you guys an outline, maybe a way to trade, maybe for you guys to see something differently in the charts.
The logic.
Yeah, the logic, exactly. So make sure you check us out. That's www.paperchairs.io. That's the best way to see what we're all about. If you press that big red button at the bottom, it's going to bring you to all the previous streams that we have done here in the past. So check out our check us out. Check out our, oh my god, I cannot fucking think of the words today. Whatever, check us out.
What website?
Yeah, on the on the website, but
Ah.
rewatch our streams and see how we've done in the past, and just see what we're all about. Track record, that's what I'm fucking thinking about. Check our track
Hey.
record. Yeah. Check our fucking track record. And you can also see it through our Twitter posts, and we're always transparent. We're posting everything and anything that is on there. We provide you guys with a huge outline of the stocks that we trade. There's also a few good names that are on stocks, and we'll review them tomorrow, because that's going to be after the market opens up and we can see kind of a little bit of a better structure going into the week. So make sure you're staying tuned for that. So for that, check out at the Paper Traders. Most of the time we do announce when we're streaming, but sometimes we just kind of start streaming and see who's in the house. So if you're here, thank you. As always, make sure you share and like. Tell your mom to watch. Remember, 4,000 followers, and I'll stop making mom jokes. I'll send her the last bouquet of flowers, and then from there we'll stop talking. I'll say I've moved on to bigger, better things. 3,000 followers. 3,000 followers, I'll quit my job on live stream. I'll fucking call my place of work and I'll tell them, hey, I'm now streaming full-time crypto.
Oh my god.
And trading. But the finishing thought that I was gonna say with what Mr. Hayes was saying about us last night, this is we're coming into this beautiful season of of fall, and there is a certain sport that everybody absolutely loves to watch and spend 4 hours watching it and then complaining about shit. So if you're one of those people, you have the full ability to spend those 4 hours doing something that matters and something that actually brings value, not just this fucking brainless discussion with your coworkers. So make sure you're spending those 4 hours wisely and not just watching some retarded ass fucking football show.
It adds up to be a lot of time.
Yeah. 4 hours a fucking week. If you spend that studying charts, you're probably going to be way further than where you are if you just continue to spend those 4 hours watching that fucking shit and then arguing about it with everybody and everyone and talking about the draft picks and all that other fucking bullshit and playing your fucking fantasy football.
Let crypto ruin your day instead of
Yeah. Yeah, honestly. That's so fucking true. Like, I don't need to watch some fucking measly sport to fucking ruin my day. I can just trade crypto. But I guess to each their own. Choose your fucking pains. Choose your pains. See what suits you best. Make sure you check out Hayes Beats. We get him to 3,000 followers. We're gonna do a giveaway for the baby. Oh, he's coming over here to say what's up. He's in the house. This is what we're gonna give away. Wait, come back here. Let's see this hat. Let's zoom in. Zoom in right there. Zoom in. Yeah. If we when we get 500 followers, you can receive one of those hats in your fucking mailbox. But beware, if you give us your mail address, your mom is going to receive a bouquet of flowers. It's fucking with the dog. Oh, wait, hold on. We got another guest appearance. This is our, this is the party animal. This is Paisley. So when we get 500 followers, this is gonna give Paisley a nice new home, and then we're gonna give her a new toy, Paper Trader custom toy. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to give it a like, give it a make sure to follow. Oh man, that was a great ending. Have a good night, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow.